Konnichiwa! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Good day to all of you. This is Ogie, staff and coordinator of Worldship Orchestra here in Manila, Philippines. I discovered Worldship Orchestra in February of 2015 during their spring project, first ever project here in the Philippines. And during that time, I was still a staff volunteer of the Tondo Chamber Orchestra, which collaborated with Worldship Orchestra during that project. And when they returned in summer of 2015, September, I was asked to be their coordinator since the first coordinator left already. So they asked me to join as the coordinator. So I accepted the challenge, and the rest is history. So um, every year, twice a year, whenever World Gym Orchestra visits the Philippines, visits Manila, it's a new experience for me, even though I do the same thing, even if I keep on, it seems like the same, but since the people are different, the music is different, every time it's different. It's a new experience, so it's always like my first time. I never get used to it, and I'm really happy that I was able to discover and meet Worldship Orchestra because it really changed my life. It changed my perspective, it changed my belief, especially when I discovered the culture of the Japanese people, which I really, really admire. And I hope that Worldship Orchestra will continue whatever it is doing because it really helps the world. Here in the Philippines, I came from a very, very poor community where there are a lot of poor people, and this kind of music is really um, unusual for us. It is not always that we can experience orchestra live. So we really thank Worldship Orchestra for bringing the classical orchestra music to, especially to the poorest communities here in Tondo, here in Manila. And yeah, I met a lot of new friends. In 2018, Worldship Orchestra invited me to go to Japan and experience their performance there, experience the culture, the food, the traditions of Japan. And it was really a life-changing experience, and I'm really, really, really thankful for that experience. So I was saddened that last project didn't push through here in the Philippines after preparing it for so long. I spent months preparing for that, but it didn't push through. It didn't happen because of this pandemic, because of the coronavirus. But I know one day you will be back here and you will experience again performing here in the Philippines, and I hope that I'll see you here. So that's it. Thank you, and I send my greetings to everyone, especially to those who have been in the Philippines before, and for those who haven't been to Manila, I invite you to come to Manila in the future and join Worldship Orchestra here, and I hope that we'll see each other soon. Okay? Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Bye.